how to download ChatGPT on iPhone. This will be a little unorthodox because you can't download ChatGPT from the App Store currently. So what you'll need to do is go to the Shortcuts app. You might already have it downloaded. If not, go ahead and download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. Once you're on the Shortcuts app, click the top right hand corner where you see the plus sign. Then you'll want to go ahead and click on Add Action in the middle of the screen. Then click on Web. Then you want to scroll down on the web section and click on Open URLs. Then click on the URL in the middle part there. Then type in the web address chat.openai.com. Then you can go ahead and change the name of the app at the top there. You can just click on Open URLs instead of having it like that. You can just type in like ChatGPT and do it like this. And then you want to click on the blue circle in the top right hand corner. That will enable you to be able to click Add to Home Screen at the top. Then if you want to change the picture to make it look a bit more professional, because it isn't actually the app, click on Choose Photo. You can get one off the internet like I did, saved it to my photos, put it in there, the ChatGPT logo. And also as well, you can just change the name as well to customize it to ChatGPT. And then once that's done, all you need to do is click the top right hand corner where it says Add. And then you should have it appear on the home screen of your iPhone right there. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on it, click allow, and then it should open up the ChatGPT web page. Then you can use it by logging in or signing up if you haven't already. And that's going to work exactly the same as if they bring out actual app on the App Store. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.